This is day 168, and today we are looking at how you can ask your Excel data some questions and get answers real quick. So this will help you to build visualizations much faster, and instead of wasting time trying to think which visualization to use, you can actually see the visualization on your screen and be able to pick the one which you like and go with it. But before we look at how to do that, we are going to quickly look at the basics, which is setting up your data. So if you recall previously on my day 167 video, I had my data set up like this. This is not the best way to set up your data. If you want to analyze your data real fast and to get the most out of Excel, then it is better to set up your data like this. So as you can see that my months are not going across anymore in this one, are going downwards. And against each sales value, there is a product and there is a month. That is the best way to set up your data, and it makes it easier for you to analyze the data. Once you set up your data like this, you can then make use of analyze data like we showed yesterday. And also in analyze data, you can ask a question. You can ask any question from your data and you can get answers. For example, you can ask a question like, which product has the highest sales in June? And the moment you ask the question, it can tell you the answer here, and you can just insert. Then you can see there is your answer here. It gives you a small report here where you say top products and year of month by product sales, where month is June. So it's just telling you that it's selecting the top sales where the month is June. So it will tell you that if your data changes, be sure to go back and analyze your data. So just as a warning to say that if you change your data later, this result might not be relevant anymore. So you need to go analyze the data again and be able to sort of re-pull this visualization again. Another question you can ask, for example, what is the total sales for June? Then it gives you the total sales for June. So here it gives you like a summary of a report. So this is how you can make use of analyze data to ask your Excel questions and get the responses immediately and without wasting much of your time. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.